everyone, my name is Wang Huishi. I'm the Year 1 Com Science student from UTM, majoring in Software Engineering. Here is my e-portfolio. Let's take a look. First, this is my e-portfolio, and my name and my profile pictures. And this is my picture about myself and my introductions and some information about myself, my names, my faculty of engineering, my student ID, email address, Facebook link, telephone numbers, and so on. And here are some details about myself, my interests, and my hobbies. And here is the education history. I'm from Zhonghua in high school, and my pre-U is in the Kedah Medical College, and currently study in the University of Technology Malaysia. And here is my plannings. And this is my reflection towards the programs, my goal, and some improvement that can be done. And here is the academic part. First is the year ones. We have semester ones with the list of subjects, and you can click on these semester ones. And we can go to these pages with the semester 2 and semester 1 and semester 2. And semester 1, there is 7 subjects, and each of the subject we can click on it. And welcome to the next pages. And here are some welcoming speech and example of quiz, example of assignments. And I link this with other subject page, and also we can click and back to the main page. So go to the technology and information systems, and go to these pages. This is a collection and have 4 pages in it, and you can just click on it to go to the pages that you want. And this is the main page of the technology and information system. You have the welcoming speech, and I have linked this with the other courses. And also we can go back to the main page. I click this, and there's some slides and assignments and my reflection towards the whole courses. And you can just click on these assignment links to go to this is the design thinking projects pages, and with the introduction, reflections, and my design thinking videos, and my reports, example reports, and a PDF file. Can go to the next page about the PC assembly with the introduction, reflections, and the PC assembly videos on the YouTube with some quotes. And go to the next pages, last pages. And last pages is about some assignments, a list of assignments, and we have some introductions. And the first assignment is the Industrial 4.0 poster and the webinar links, and my reflection towards the Industrial 4. And second is the importance and trending of IT project management, and the link for the webinar and password, and you can click on this link. And my reflection, and next is the alumni sharing session, the link of the webinar and the reflections. And lastly, we have the cloud computing fundamental, and my reflection towards this cloud computing fundamental. And here got a first page button. You can just click it and go to the first page of the technology and information system. Reach this page, and we can just back to the main page. And next, we can just choose the other subject that you want. In this my e-portfolio, we can just use them and click and go to the pages. And this page I create. We have some software use and some introduction and example circuit in the disk simulators. The video that I create by myself, record by myself. Simple circuit, that how can we run the circuit and get the output. And the example of lab report and so on. And we can go to programming techniques 1. With the welcoming speech, tips on programming, and also more details and assignments to download, reflections about the courses. And these more details we can just click on and go to the next page. This page is basically introduction to this Dev C++, and the introductions and the step for coding. And this is the one of the example that I write and run a simple programs, and can gain the output. And here is the process and example and the output. and we can just click on this and go to the previous page. And then we can just simple click on this and go to the main page. Back to the main page, and I can just go to the philosophy and current issue pages and welcoming speech and assignment poster that I've done, and some videos, and go to the ethic and civilizations. And same, we have the welcoming speech, the tasks that I've done in these courses, and my reflections towards the course. And lastly, go to the credit success attributes. These the pages of the credit success attribute. Then here's a welcoming speech, the assignments that I've done, and the reflections, and also the link with this with the other courses, and back to the main page. And this video can be downloaded, simply downloaded, and just play on our computers. Okay, then we can just back to the main page. Okay, and for more details, here are my resume, 2 pages, and you can just simply download my resume and in the PC, and you can just look it in details for my resume. Back to these pages, and this is my social parts. I have wall to be commented, to be posted, and my groups and some of my friends. And basically, this is my e-portfolio. That's all. Here are some of my reflection towards the program. First is my dream concerning to my program. Program that I taken is software engineering. I will choose this program is because of nowadays it's an IT world. Information technology is widely used in many fields and it brings a lot of benefit for us. Therefore, I hope that I can have this opportunity to gain the knowledge related with IT and apply this knowledge to help others to solve the problem by designing and developing a software application that fulfill the requirement of the clients. IT is an ever-changing field. I can have this opportunity to learn the updated new knowledge from day to day and can work from anywhere. I hope that I can get the chance to involve myself in some big companies such as the Googles, Facebook, Apples, and so on. And here are some goals that concerning to my program. And next is the action or the improvement that I can take to improve my potential in this industry. First, as a student, I know that I should work hard and study hard and make sure that I can obtain a satisfied CGPA in my exam. Besides, I should also participating in many activities for me to gain more knowledge and experience. By participating those activities, my self-confidence, technical skill, soft skill, teamwork, and even though the leadership skill can be improved. By having the better soft skill and teamwork, I can have better ability to communicate with others and work with them. Nowadays, IT is used in many fields and become necessary for most of us. In IT, many things been updated day by day. Therefore, I can improve myself by getting the news and updated knowledge. I should maintain a continuous learning process so that I can make sure that my knowledge is not behind and have been up to date. In my free time, I can get a part-time job in some computer shop so that I can get the knowledge of IT. I can also try to learn some programming language by myself. I should also have many skill-based practice to improve my effectiveness and efficiency towards the task. Through all these improvements, such as the participating in many activities, self-learning, my potential for sure can be improved. Video is towards the end. There are some reflection towards my program, my goal and dream regarding my program and the improvement that can be done by me to improve my potential. So at the beginning, I've already explained about my e-portfolio. That's all from me. Thank you.